Now, sometimes you're not innovating a brand new product, sometimes you're trying to change an existing product that you already have. Now, how many of you out there have these existing systems that are just struggling along or have too many workarounds just to get by? This normally happens when things are very old and get out of date and then they just work, so you let them go. But there are things you can do without having to replace the entire thing. Now, a good thing that you can do is change the UI or the front end for it. You can build a new front end, interact with the same database, and get rid of those annoying problems that you've got and bring it into modern technology. There might be ways where you can integrate your data into other platforms and leverage your data inside other systems to make things quicker. There are quite a few ways that you can leverage existing technology, whether it's old or almost ready for dead, and bring it into modern technology. Now, what you really need to do is think about how much time is it actually costing you to use these systems. Is there a lot of workarounds, a lot of little tricks, a lot of little hacks that have to happen day to day by your staff to get this done? If you can figure this out, then you'll actually know what's worth moving towards, scrapping it all together, building a new front end, integrating it. Sometimes it's not possible to integrate and you just have to start with new from scratch. But there's a lot of experience and learnings in that software that you can take forward and move with. So you're not scrapping old software and wasting whatever money was spent in it. All of that is an investment to make the new software better. So just keep in mind that as you're using these old systems and you've got a lot of little tweaks and hacks and things that you have to do and band-aids that go over problems and just keep it working, that you're not stuck with it. You can upgrade it to a degree. Even if it's very old, you can give it a new polished front end and make things better. But some cases, you really shit out of luck almost, and you just have to replace it. But don't fret when that happens because you're not wasting anything. Think about all the knowledge and time that's been built up over the use of this system and how things operate, and you can use that to improve the next version and make it drastically better. Now, don't forget to like and comment below, and let me know if you're in this sort of situation or you just need some advice on what you can do and what you can't do based on what you've currently got.